Hi allemaal, hi all. Welcome back to Afrikaans met meneer Damons. Dit is die kanaal van Afrikaans met meneer Damons. Today we're going to talk about questions. Questions, when people ask you some questions, how to answer them in Afrikaans. As mense vra, hoe beantwoord jy hulle? Are you married? Are you married? Is jy getroud? Is jy getroud? Are you very busy? Are you very busy? Is jy baie besig? Can I help you? Can I help you? Kan ek u help? Kan ek u help? Can you please tell me? Can you please tell me? Kan jy my asseblief vertel? Kan jy my asseblief vertel? Do you have children? Do you have children? Het jy enige kinders? Het jy enige kinders? Do you speak Afrikaans? Do you speak Afrikaans? Praat jy Afrikaans? Praat jy Afrikaans? How are you? How are you? Hoe gaan dit met jou? Hoe gaan dit met u? Of aangename kennis? How come? How come? Hoe so? Hoe so? How is the family? How is the family? Hoe gaan dit met die familie? Hoe gaan dit met die familie? And then lastens, how long have you lived here? How long have you lived here? Hoe lang woon jy hier? Tot op 'n volgende keer. Ek is weer terug met vrae. I will be back with more questions. Or if you want to call me, please call me on 081 836 3373. 081 836 3373, and I will appreciate it.